guys, today I will be reviewing this unit from Nadula Hair. This is the unit that I will be installing today, and it is their 13 by 4 glueless unit. Now this unit comes with a drawstring and it's a pre-everything wig. It has these curtain bangs to the front, which I'm obsessed with, so I love that. As I said, it's pre-everything, so the pre-bleached knots, it's pre-plucked, as you can see here, it's pre-parted, and also the lace is already cut for you. So this is what it looks like on my hand, and it comes with this adjustable removable band, but more importantly it comes with this drawstring technology, guys, so you get a snug fit, the wig doesn't move, and then it has a little tiny ball right there that you can use to secure the unit. So this is their black cherry body wave. Obsessed with the color, it's so beautiful. So I got it in a body wave, as I mentioned, and this is in 24 inches. I will leave the link to the unit in the description so you can check that out. This is how you work the drawstring technology. Very easy. You just draw it snug and you just tuck it right under, and already the wig looks like it's laid. And it's glueless. I can just lift this off, as you can see, but it melts so beautifully into the skin without any glues, without any sprays or anything like that. So this is what the unit looks like on my head. I'm going to be doing minimal work, not much work with this at all. So that's what the curtain bangs would look like. Just shapes the face. You don't need to cut the unit at all, you don't need to layer it. It comes pre-layered for you. So one thing I love with the drawstring technology, it fits any head, any shape, any head size, and it will not move. It fits comfortably. So usually, you know, combs would be to the back. I personally don't like the combs, so I'm happy for the drawstring because it fits comfortably. It doesn't feel like I'm getting a headache at all. It's just comfortable and it's not going to move. So definitely love that. All I'm going to be using on this unit is my foaming lotion. That's it, just to get that fresh out the salon look. You know my vibe. So I've just put in that right where they already cut the lace for me. I just apply that, and then I'm going to be using one of the bands that they included in the package and tie that down and let it sit while I put some curls into this unit. So they included this roller in the unit, which I love because it curls the front so easily. The curtain bangs, you just roll it under and it stays secure, and you leave it like that so you can get your curls. Now this is a 100% human hair wig, so it curls and it's also heat resistant, so you can curl it. You can set your wand, which I am using right now, or your curling iron on high heat, and it will take it beautifully. I must say that this is a colored unit and it did take the curl so well, and I did not experience any shedding with it at all. So I have the unit all curled up, and now I'm just going to take the band off and look at the hairline. Ta-da! This is looking like glue is on it, and it's glueless. I did nothing, and this is a 13 by 4 unit, so it goes all the way across, guys, and it's completely glueless. So they did a really good job with plucking the hairline. It does look very natural, so I do like that. And I love the parting. It's pre-parted in the center, but of course you can switch your parting if you'd like. So here I'm showing you that you can part through the unit to the left, to the right. It looks very realistic. But that's it for the install. That's all that this unit takes. Let's get into the final look. And this is the unit, guys. It looks so good. I love the color. I think it complements me so well, and I love the layers. Again, I didn't need to cut the unit. I didn't need to use any glue at all, completely glueless, and it came layered like this. So very pretty. What I also love is how bouncy and light the unit is. So again, the link will be in the unit the link will be in the description for this wig, so you can check it out. But let's play around with the unit and see if we can create some different styles with it. You know, my favorite style is a half up half down style, so that's really one of the first styles that I want to try out with the unit. And all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to leave out like 2 little bangs to the front, and then I'm going to bring up like half of the unit and just use a claw clip to secure that, and that will be it for this half up half down hairstyle. And again, to have so much flexibility with a glueless wig is top tier vibe, top tier. So this is what the half up half down is looking like. It's so pretty. Like, imagine you have a special occasion that's where you could wear a unit like this. This is it from the side, and I personally think it looks really beautiful. This is it from the back, and it does look pretty done. I took a minute to accomplish this style. Now let's do an updo with the unit. I'm leaving the 2 little bangs at the front, some at the side as well, and I'm using my same claw clip to accomplish this. And just like that, we have style number 2, just a updo, and I have it just flowing loosely to the back of the clip. So this is what this is looking like. And finally, I'm just going to do a little bun, and I'm keeping it in the updo. I'm just going to wrap this around my fingers and create a very loose, light bun style. And there you have it, another style with this glueless wig. Very flexible. I love the versatility of it, so it's definitely beginner friendly. So go ahead and check this out. I love you guys. Don't forget to leave a like before you go, and subscribe if you are new. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.